Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to reboot phone in Vivo Y15s phone. Guys, you want to reboot your phone, so you can reboot it. In this video guys, I will show you how to reboot. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So it's now time to start video guys. First of all guys, what will you have to do? Guys, you will have to press your power off button. Then as you can see these three settings, so you will have to click on the last one guys, reboot. Guys, click here, restart option means guys reboot. Then guys, after 1 minute it will reboot automatic. So you can use when your phone hang, it do not work properly, and guys then your phone has any problem. When you touch your phone guys, your touch do not work, so guys you can reboot this, and guys after guys you can use your phone. So let's say guys it's rebooting. Vivo. So yes, our phone has reboot. You can see it's loading. So I hope friends you have understood how to reboot phone in Vivo Y15s phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.